Kaya's bike check. Check 1, 2. Then we go front, the back. Um, Colt, Mason Olstan, S&M, Slam XLPs, uh, Animal Edwin grips, um, premium refused tire. My stock rim, it actually came as a female axle. I really like it. It's a nice rib. It's the Stealth Plus rim. Uh, uh, we the People Hollow Forks is a came stock. Uh, we the People Volta frame, Salt Plus uh, headset. We Animal Light long peg. The short one's in the back, just white one. And then I got fat pedals. This is the hardware light. Fat pedals, Salt Plus cranks, and Salt Plus bottom brackets. We the People sprocket and the Colts half inch chain. The Salt Plus back ram came stock. Really like it running left hand drive. 25.9. Really good. Um, and then I got the grip and tire. We people grip and tire in the back. I actually have Shadow Conspiracy bar and I don't know why. But I'm running an extra spacer which is my mid-control stand. And it's a little thinner. It's actually, I really like it because it's narrow and it's really easy to see the tire when you're straightening out your bars. I do all the work on my bike myself, so bye. I'll update soon. Um, Comment, subscribe, rate, do whatever. Okay, bye.